this shit? This episode of Triple CHS is brought to you by DraftKings.com. What's up, fight fans? I'm the Metal Gear Solid 5 Ground Zeroes of Mixed Martial Arts, Tommy Toehold, and Lord Moneybags himself, Joe motherfucking Lauzon, is fighting this weekend. That's right, he's fighting Stevie Ray from the Harlem Heat in Nashville Saturday, but being as the card is in Tennessee, and running the show, of course, will be the Tennessee Athletic Commission, which I know absolutely dick about, it raises the question as to whether the state has adopted the new unified rules of MMA, or if they've decided to keep the old unified rules, or maybe just a handful of the new rules. Makes my fucking head spin. Joe Lauzon recently talked to BJPen.com Woo about the topic, and considering he's fighting this weekend, I thought we'd bring Joe on to talk rules. Joe, has Tennessee adopted the new rules, and what does that mean?
Bunch of fucking skitters, man. I don't know what the fuck's going on here. I'm about to go fucking yard on somebody. I mean, are the rules really unified if the rules aren't fucking unified? In one fucking state, you can put your fingers down, you're considered a downed opponent. In another state, they'll fucking smash your face in for that shit. Some places have replays, some places don't have replays. Some places that don't have replays have fucking replays anyway. Bunch of fucking skitters. I'm probably gonna fight in like 6 different states this year. How the fuck am I supposed to know what rules is what? You tell me in the split second between when somebody's driving a knee into my fucking skull and the time they're not driving a knee into my fucking skull, then I gotta figure out which state I'm in and which fucking rules they've decided to adopt.
So what is the solution then, Joe? How can fighters fight in different states and understand the new rules?
Well, I tell you what, the way Joe Lauzon handles it, I just assume every fucking rule is a rule that exists at all times. You're not gonna see Joe Lauzon putting his fucking fingers down when a knee's coming. I'm just gonna get the hell out of there. How about that? Can I move forward with my fingers extended? I probably fucking shouldn't anyway. That's dangerous as fuck. So basically, I'm just gonna be fucking awesome at all times and not have to worry about any of these fucking rule changes.
That sounds like a pretty solid plan. What do you think about the overall issue, though, of various states having their own commissions and having their own rule sets?
It's fucking stupid. It makes no sense. There should be one fucking commission run by the best people, and the rest of these skitters who don't know what the fuck they're doing can just fuck off. I mean, seriously, what other fucking sport has this shit? Imagine watching the NFL and the fucking Pats go Pats! Imagine if fucking Tom Brady throws a touchdown, and because they're in the state of Washington, it only counts as 4 points. Wouldn't that be fucking stupid? Who the fuck would watch that sport? Where are we playing this week, coach? We're playing in Florida, so holding is okay, and field goals are now touchdowns. It's absolutely fucking ridiculous. If they need Joe Lauzon to head this fucking commission, I will gladly do so, but the headquarters gotta be in Boston. I gotta have a view of the Charles from my office, and I get to decide who gets hired, because no fucking skitters or fucking boxing people who never watched MMA in their whole lives are gonna be on my commission. Joe Lauzon National Commission 2017. Make it happen, folks.
Best of luck this weekend, Joe!
I can't fucking wait. Nashville's a great city. We're gonna get like 14 of the night bonuses. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Make sure you check it out.
See you tomorrow, fight fans!